Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This makeup look is this spring healthy glowy makeup look, and look at my skin, how healthy and how glowy it looks, and I really like it how it turned out. I was trying to do a little more simple eye today, and I was more focusing on my skin, and I really like it how I did it, everything. So if you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so first I'm gonna start with my glow head illuminating face oil. This one is from Wonder Beauty, and I'm just gonna put this like this much. I'm gonna blend it. So before I apply foundation, I'm gonna use my iconic London illuminator. This one is blush, and I'm just gonna put this just like 2 drops and I'm gonna blend with my finger. And for my foundation, I'm going to use my L'Oreal 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm gonna blend with this sponge. So for my under eye corrector, I'm using my LA Color Conceal Corrector. This one is peach, and I really like this concealer corrector because I used it on my last video, and ever since then I really like it, and I like to blend it with my finger. It's a really good corrector, and it's very affordable. It's like $1.25, guys. It's so good. And look at this, I have no under eye, like a dark circle at all. Now I'm going to get my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This one is light medium honey, and I'm just gonna put this on my under eye. So I'm going to use my Fit Me stick foundation. This one is coconut, and I'm just gonna use my concealer brush. This brush is from Elf Cosmetics. Now I'm gonna blend my concealer with this sponge. Now, before I set my under eye, I'm going to use my illuminator, and I'm just gonna grab it on my hand, and I'm gonna get my sponge, and I'm gonna put this on my higher point of my cheeks. Get the glow. And I'm gonna put this on my forehead. Now I'm going to set my under eye using this Lancôme setting powder. My under eye only, because I'm not gonna drag it to on my where I put my liquid highlighter, and I'm gonna drag it to my nose area as well, and my forehead. Then set my contour. I'm using my Maybelline Master Contour Palette, Face Studio Palette. This one is medium to deep, and I'm just using my angle brush, and I'm just gonna get this contour shade, and I'm gonna set my contour with this powder. My nose as well, I'm just gonna put this on the side of my nose. And for my blush, I'm using Nars. This one is Orgasm. It's a beautiful pinky color, and using the same brush, and I'm gonna put this on my apple of my cheek. But like I like to put it on my nose as well, because I wanted to make like a look like a sun-kissed, like a glowy look. Before I apply highlighter, I'm gonna spray setting spray on my face. So I'm using my Morphe setting spray. Just wanted to melt everything first. So always, if you feel like you put too much bronzer or blush, you always go back with the sponge. Whatever left over on your sponge, you just go over with this, and it's gonna blend the edges really smoothly. There will be no harsh line at all. Do the highlighter. So I'm gonna use my Laura Geller highlighter. This one is Melted Gilded Honey, and I'm just gonna put this on my higher point of my cheek. On my nose as well, and on my forehead. Look at the glow. So pretty. This is similar to the Maybelline Melted Gold, the Mustard Chrome highlighter. It's very similar to that color. So for eye, I'm using my Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. So from the palette, I'm gonna start with this shade using this brush, and I'm just gonna put this on my eyelid. I'm going back to my regular brush because I didn't like that brush. So I'm just using that same eyeshadow and putting all over my eyelid, and it has a slightly pinky shade. Use the same shade, and I'm just gonna same brush, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lashes as well. Then I'm gonna go with this Juicy, this shade, and I'm gonna use this same brush, and I'm gonna put this on my outer V. Just blending it in. Then I'm gonna go back with the first shade, which is Filthy, and I'm gonna put this again because I feel like I need a little bit more because I'm blending it out. So I'm just putting in my eyelid area using the same brush, going back and forth and just blending it out in the same time. Now I'm gonna get this shade. This one is Shameless, and I'm just gonna using my finger, and I'm gonna try to put this on my closer to eyelid. Just like a halfway eyelid. I'm not gonna drag it to all the way here. Beautiful shade. And I'm blending it out with my finger as well. Look at this shade. I'm just gonna go with this small pencil brush, and I'm just gonna go with this shade. This one is Juicy, and I'm gonna put this on my outer V just to blend the edges, both of them together, just like that. And I'm going to do the same shade. I'm just gonna put that on my lower lashes as well. A waterline, I'm going to use my Milani Kohl pencil. Curl my lashes and use the mascara. for mascara, I'm using my Tarte Maneater. It's a beautiful mascara, and I'm gonna put this top and bottom lashes. And for lashes, I'm using my Kiss lashes. I'll put that on my description box below, what lashes I'm using. This is my old lashes. Corner highlighter, I'm using this shade. For my lip, I'm going to use this Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. And I'm kind of overline my lip. For lipstick, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Unbutton liquid lipstick. I'm gonna blend. I feel like I need a little bit pink in the middle, so I'm gonna put this in the middle, this Too Faced Sell Out liquid lipstick. Just a bit, and I'm gonna blend. Love the lipstick color. And set everything, I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray. And this is my completed look. I really like it. I like my skin, how glowy and how healthy looking. And I also like the lip combo. And I tried to do a little more simple, not too much on my eye. I was focused on my face today, and I really like it how it turned out. And I hope you guys will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribing my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.